Welcome my people again. It's been long, and so today we took the first trade of the week and we made 4,500 Kenya shillings. Okay, so this is how you make 4,500 Kenya shillings easily using forex trading, particularly gold versus US dollar, gold spot US dollar. You can call it how you want, and let's dive deep to the analysis and what we saw and how we approached the market so that we could enter this market and make the 4,500 Kenya shillings. Okay, stay tuned. So this is the preview of the trade that I took and how I framed it. So the first step that I was looking for is the draw on liquidity. The first draw on liquidity that I saw was this sell side liquidity here. You can see sell side liquidity, and there's this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, this is the 5 minutes chart time frame. This is the 5 minute time frame, as you can see here. And once I anticipated this 1 hour fair value gap to be repriced to, I wanted to see some kind of reversal, smart money reversal here. Once I got the smart money reversal in the 1 minute time frame, I immediately sold that fair value gap. You will see that fair value gap, but first look at this 1 hour fair value gap and this sell side liquidity. That's the draw on liquidity. This low here, this low here, this low here, this low here, they are very relative, and I was anticipating for price to come from here up to here. Okay, that's why you can see this my short position here. This was for FVG for entry, and once I saw that FVG form, I put my sell limit there instantly for activation. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, and I'll show you how I saw that entry. So once price came to this, you can see this blue shaded area here, that's the 1 hour fair value gap. And once price came to this 1 hour fair value gap, I was anticipating some measure of selling. Okay, and price did that exactly. It offered this price leg down, you can see, to this fair value gap, and it left this fair value gap too. So that was my entry. This fair value gap here was my entry. I entered right here at this one, the time price, the moment price came into this fair value gap here, I entered. Okay, so I put my stop loss here, and I was anticipating for price to reach at least this order block here, then give up the cost, and it did that exactly. But it took a long time for it to flourish, and price came here again. This fair value gap was an opportunity to add some more short, but I didn't, because I prefer selling one position and managing one position only. Price came to this other fair value gap here, it went short again, came to this order block here. You can see I've outlined it, then it went short again, and this is the moment that I took my trades off this right here. Okay, I didn't wait for the market to run up to my targets, because I saw low-hanging fruits are the best trades. You can take low-hanging fruits every minute, every day, and you'll be, even if the market reverses on you, you'll be profitable still. Okay, so let's go to the analysis before the trade. So this is the analysis before the fact, before the trade took place. As you can see here, this is gold spot US dollar, and it's an image, and this is the 1 hour fair value gap that I was talking about, and this is price action before that. This is the kill zone, New York kill zone, right here where you can see my cursor. This is where the New York kill zone starts. Okay, and this is the fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame, and as I was anticipating, price came, but it didn't fill that fair value gap. I wanted to see it fill so that it can leave this place vigorously. Okay, you can see my anticipation. I wanted for price to come here during kill zone, offer that reversal for the sell side delivery of the curve in the market maker sell model. Okay, so this is the sell model preparation, and you can see my first target and second target right at 1982. You can see that, and I took this trade around here but I didn't wait for this target to be hit. I got out of the trade around this area here on this accumulation part. Okay, so let's go to the next peak. Now this is the trade before it trade before it actualized. Okay. So I entered on this fair value gap here. You can see FVG for entry. I outlined that entry. Then I was anticipating for price to reach here, but man, it became slow. I guess it's because there was no high impact news and it was just a quick scalp to this area here, but it didn't get to this too. You see, so price was so slow today, but we managed to get something. Now this is the trade after the fact. I won't lie, I waited for this trade for so long, almost the whole kill zone, but I was anticipating to get out of this trade during London close. Okay, so you can see price, it came again, created a fair value gap, went back again into it, this fair value gap, then went down again, came to this fair value gap, went down again, this order block. Price reclaimed this order block here, it came here again, then went short to this fair value gap here. Then I was anticipating rollover, but it didn't happen. So you can see how the price is still performing. These are just screenshot of the trade. Okay, so that's how I took this gold trade and made 4,500 Kenya shillings trading gold. Okay, so it's pays, man. So as you can see, this is the trade and you can see my entries here. This is where I sold, this area here where there's a red cursor here. Then I rode this wave up to this area. Okay, I wasn't willing to wait until we hit this 1983.34 or low, although that was my initial target. But since I got my target of the day, I decided to get out of the market and do other things. So this is the trade that I took and you can see the profits. I entered at 1987.48 and exited at 1984.54. okay, that's $29 and converted to Kenya shillings you get around 4,400 Kenya shillings. Okay, and that's good for today, and from where we are, you know that's quite some good amount. Okay, so I wish you good trading, and man, it's my wish to see you succeed too. Okay, so peace, because we are all in the way to success. I mean, man, this kidongo is hard, but we will cope with it, man. Okay, so peace. So guys, that's how I made 4,500 Kenya shillings trading forex, specifically trading gold versus US dollar. I hope the review imekuwa insightful. I hope the review will help you understand something. Okay, it's my wish for you to get the glimpse of trading, and at least you can use the knowledge however you want. Okay, so thank you for watching and good luck in your trading. Peace. I'm out.